In this video, you'll learn how to update the time zone settings in Calendly. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully adjusted the time zone for your event types, ensuring that your availability is accurate for all invitees. Begin by navigating to the Calendly website and signing into your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your main dashboard. Look for the option labeled Scheduling on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Scheduling to access your scheduling settings. After selecting Scheduling, you will see various options related to your event types. Look for the section titled Event Types. Click on this section to view the list of your existing events. You will see each event type displayed with its corresponding details. Next, identify the specific event type for which you want to update the time zone. Locate the event and click on the Edit button associated with it. This action will take you to the event configuration page where you can modify various settings related to that event. Once you're on the event editing page, scroll down until you find the section labeled When Can People Book This Event? In this area, look for the option to set a specific time zone. Click on the time zone drop-down menu to view the list of available time zones. Select the appropriate time zone that corresponds to your scheduling needs. After selecting the desired time zone, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button typically located at the bottom right corner of the page. Click Save to confirm your adjustments. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your event has been successfully updated with the new time zone. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.